Guys, look at this. I'm serious. I seriously just come out here to film this for you because it's literally that awesome. Look at this! Oh my gosh! It's starting to rain. But look at this. This is so cool. Got some thunder going on for the background there. It's awesome. I'm gonna go up here real quick, guys. It's so cool right now. I want to see what it's like over here. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. That's so cool right now. Oh, it's so cool right now. Like seriously. Like these are probably going to be my YouTube videos here, guys. Wow. The storm's moving at a pretty good speed though. I mean, this is what I live up for, right here. It's so cool. So pretty as well. It's pretty. Also, got the sun right over there. I don't know how to do this. Got the sun right over there. It's so pretty out here. Seriously. Look at that. It's pretty out here right now. Like, seriously, dude, like, I'm out here up front in my building, but it's seriously so pretty. Hang on. I'm like, it's so pretty out here. This is what it's like without any, like, camera, without the flashlight, but this is what it's like with the flashlight. I don't know if it's going to make a difference in the video, but it's good. It's so pretty out here. Seriously. It's so freaking pretty. I would literally just stand here and, like, just film from, just, like, right here. Because it's this pretty. It's like, oh, say hello to Mr. Flag. But it's like, it's so pretty out here. Like, nobody ever knows it, but it's pretty. Like, nobody can even get this. And I am going to film, I'm going to upload this to YouTube. I hope you guys saw that flash of lightning. Once this storm moves over there, I'm going to go up. I'm going to go through these stairs. Kind of cool place right there. I'm going to go through these stairs, and I'm going to go out there and film it. But there's the high school, by the way. If you can't see it that well, there's the high school. But it's so pretty out here. Like seriously. Whoa! Man, I wish I could get these on video right now, but like there's a bunch of lightning going on up above me. But it's so beautiful out here, guys. Wow, I can't believe I've been on here for 3 minutes right now. Over 3 minutes. Oh, jeez. What just Oh, that's just my thumb. That's just my finger. Hello. Like there's a lot of stuff going on out here, guys. Also, that is a perfect thunderhead. I would never think I would get a thunderhead in a video. And there it is. Yeah, there's a thunderhead in my video. That is seriously awesome that I have a thunderhead in my video. Also, let me just flip my camera around here so you can see my face. Well, here's my face. But, yeah, it's so beautiful out here. Seriously. Also, there's a bunch of stuff going on that, yeah, it's, like, beautiful. Whoa. Is that green in the... It's green over there. Wow. That's kind of cool. You can probably hear the thunder over my voice, but it is beautiful. Like, I know Dan doesn't use any editing tools because... I know Dan uses editing tools for his videos. I don't really have an editing tool yet, but like once I become a full-fledged like YouTuber, I probably will. But this is so pretty. Like all of this is just so pretty. I can't believe I'm filming a storm out here. But it looks like it's about to go over me, so let's go out here real quick. A couple more seconds of the storm. A couple more seconds of the storm that's going on. See, I told you it's pretty. I told you it was going to be pretty. Did you not believe me? I mean, look at all the colors there. I told you it was going to be pretty. Pretty. Yeah, I'm filming right now. Yeah, this is like so beautiful. Seriously. Also, there's the thunderhead I was talking about. There's the thunderhead I was talking about, by the way. It's like right over there. But seriously, this is like a beautiful blend. It's like getting breezy out here. Man. Whoa, hello. Hello, Mr. Lightning. Hi. I told you I had a phone. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm possibly going to upload this on YouTube. But it's beautiful, guys. My. I wish I had some editing. I wish I had like an editing tool that I could use. Because I keep on getting my finger in the way. Come on.
Where are the girls?
I don't know. They're probably inside or something. Like that is awesome. Look at that cloud right there. You see how that cloud is kind of forming an arch right there? That is cool.
No, Jason.
That is cool. Right now, I'm probably going to get 10 minutes of the storm here, and I'll probably stop. But this is so cool. Dang.
Jason, we gotta see it over here. Jason.
But like, this is going to be so cool. Also, there's probably where lightning's going to mostly strike if it ever happens. So yeah. Bye. But this is like cool, so cool right now, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm getting a film of the storm, Mom.
Are you trying to get something?
That is bizarre. Those clouds are being very bizarre right now. But I saw the coolest cloud, Mom. It was like in an arch formation. It was so cool.
Well, I swear to you, Jason, and I even told Rose, I saw a funnel. I swear.
Like, this is cool.
Watch out. Sorry.
Like, this is cool, Mom. But like, if a tornado was most likely going to happen, Mom, it would most likely happen in a thunderhead, which a thunderhead was like located like right over there, like right above the high school.
Look at that. Look how weird color that is. Look up here. All of it.
Yeah.
See,
This is cool, Mom.
that cloud right over there reminds me of Twister. Look at that cloud.
Oh yeah, it does. Oh wow, I'm catching some rain on the
Baba,
footage here.
Look over there.
What?
See the dark cloud in the back and the one up front? They're spinning.
Huh.
Does that not look like a funnel right there?
What, that right there?
The one in front of us.
Yeah, that right there. No,
Let's
that's
get
not.
into Rose's house. Come on.
That's not a funnel cloud, but this is cool, Mom. This is like so cool. I can't believe I actually got this on footage.
Come on. I'm gonna call Grandma and ask where we're standing at.
This is so cool, Mom. I can't believe I got this on footage.
Okay,
Yeah? Okay.
we're about to get a bad storm.
Mustache cloud right there.